Jai Hind. My name is Vikas Sharma, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication. Right now, I'm explaining the basic project of a data transmit with the help of a laser. With the help of this, you can transfer any kind of a data from the one destination to the other destination without any delay. That delay is depend upon the requirement. Look at the project first of all. The AC supply is come to the transformer, and the transformer output is a 909, and that output is directly going to the relay device with the help of a bridge rectifier, and that device directly going to the microcontroller, and that microcontroller is a programming device where all the signal will be collaborated, and according to that collaboration we can use any kind of a programming for the transmission of a data. After that transmission of data, we just use a sending part of that device. The data transmit with the help of a device. This part is to be used for the transfer of a data from one side to the other side. This complete project is divided into two parts. One is the sending part, another is the receiving part. The sending part is used to transfer a data, and that data is directly received by the receiving end. Now I will show the demonstration of that part, how it can be worked right now. The first we can be click a data, and that display is showing a, and that A will be transferred with the help of a laser, and the laser beam is strike directly to the receiving end, and after receiving end it will be directly going to the microcontroller, and microcontroller provide the output at the second LCD after a 10-second delay. That delay, look at the output at here. A, which can be provided by the sending end directly from the source to the destination. So this is a device which can be used to transfer any kind of information, any kind of a message with the help of a laser. Thank you.